If you are building a toy or game brand on Amazon, but you're not part of Amazon brand registry yet, you're basically fighting an Amazon boxing ring with one hand tied behind your back. Because without brand registry, your competitor will have access to tools that you simply don't have. Today, I'm going to walk you through Amazon brand registry itself, the program, and explain why this program is so important for toys and game companies, and also clear up a few common misconceptions that I hear all the time from founders. Hi, my name is Jason Shea, founder of Toy Launch. Our team have helped hundreds of toys and game products launch and grow on Amazon since 2016. One of the very first things that we check when working with new toys and game brands is whether or not they are part of the Amazon brand registry. Because if you're not, you're missing access to some of the extremely powerful tool. So let's go ahead and walk through the Amazon brand registry program together, and I'm going to show you exactly what tool Amazon unlock once you have your brand registered. Amazon explained kind of what a brand registry program is. First of all, it really unlock, in a simple term, the brand registry help brand owner to protect their brand and grow their businesses on Amazon. And it also allow Amazon to verify you are a legitimate owner of your brand. Once Amazon recognizes your brand, you gain access to additional tool for brand protection, advertising, and brand building. For toys and game company, this is extremely important because toys are one of the categories that get copied very quickly once they become popular. So one of the major benefits of the Amazon highlight is brand protections. Brand registry pretty much give you stronger control over your brand listing, your images, your brand names, your intellectual property or your IP. Without brand registry, it can sometimes be harder for you to control your own listing on how you're going to appear on Amazon. Once you are registered, Amazon recognize you as a brand authority, which help you to protect your listing. And besides that, there's a lot of additional feature that Amazon also provide. Like, for example, the first one is A+ content. A+ content is another very powerful tool to unlock through the brand registry. This allows you to enhance your product listing with rich visual, comparison chart, videos as well inside your product descriptions or under your product detail page. For toys and game product, this is extremely helpful because customers often want to understand how the toys or game work, what make it fun, and what make it unique. So A+ content can significantly improve your conversion rate. Just like you see on here, sometimes it can increase the sales up to like 20% almost. That's how impactful the A+ content could be. And also, it also unlock another special feature that Amazon provide, which is called Amazon Vine. Amazon Vine is an Amazon Pay review program for you to get early review. As of today's recording, Amazon currently charge $200 per product enrollment. For $200 enrollment fee, you can get up to 30 different Vine reviewer reviewing your product as well for $200. And that's the most legitimate and also the fastest way to get early review on the Amazon platform at this time. Next, there's also a lot of additional feature that it will also unlock, like subscribe and save, brand tailored promotion, and even virtual bundle. So those are some of more advertising tools that you can also use. And also, without a brand registry, you couldn't even have a brand store on Amazon, which is extremely important. Essentially, you can create your own Amazon storefront inside Amazon, where customer can browse your entire product catalog. Think of it like a mini website inside Amazon as well. This becomes especially powerful if your toys or game company have multiple products and multiple game titles. And you also unlock additional advertising function. For example, sponsored brand and sponsored display will only get unlocked if your brand is brand registry with Amazon. Especially sponsored brand is extremely important for toys and game brands because sponsored brand ads are the only type of ads you can run a video ads on Amazon platform. For toys and game product, because there's millions of toys and game like on the platform, without running a video ads is extremely difficult for your product to stand out in the very crowded marketplace. And then also, there's a lot of other advanced function you also unlock, like Amazon Experiment, which is like an A/B testing tool that Amazon have, and you also allow you to see more data with Amazon, like Amazon Brand Analytic. You can also use Amazon Attribution to drive traffic from outside Amazon into Amazon. You will also unlock Brand Matrix, and also Amazon will give you brand referral bonus if you drive your non-Amazon, for example, outside traffic into Amazon. Amazon give you some bonus for it as well. And there's also additional way to protect your brand, like you can report any kind of IP violations through Amazon as well if you are a brand registered. So it is extremely important. So now let me take quickly cover a few common mistakes that I see toys and game founders make when it comes to Amazon brand registry. Mistake number one, you think you need a trademark for every single product, which is not true. Most founders believe that they need trademark for every single product they create. For Amazon brand registry, you only need one trademark for the name of your company itself. Once your the company name is trademark, you can apply that brand registry across your entire catalog. You do not need a trademark for every single product for the Amazon platform. So that's a very common mistake. Common mistake number two, thinking that trademark must be fully approved. This is another misconception when it comes to Amazon brand registry. Even on the Amazon homepage, it clearly say, in order for you to enroll your brand in Amazon brand registry and start unlocking exclusive benefit, you need to meet two basic requirements. Requirement one, you need to have a brand name and a logo. And the logo need to include your brand name like permanently, and also your packaging need to have your logo and brand name on the packaging as well. Requirement number two is trademark. Having a pending or registered trademark for your brand names or logo that's issued by a designated government trademark office of the country that you're selling on. For US, it's going to be the USPTO office. So again, you don't need to be fully registered for Amazon to recognize you. Amazon will accept a trademark that's still in pending status. That means you can apply for a brand registry much earlier than most founders realize. Usually, if you work with a decent lawyer, once you file the application, your trademark can get into pending status, like sometimes as quick as under 30 days. But it takes much longer for it to be fully approved by USPTO. Sometimes that could take 9 months or sometimes up to a year almost to get it fully approved. But for Amazon purposes, you don't need to wait for it to be fully approved before you can apply for the Amazon brand registry. Mistake number three, there is two types of trademark that brand often confuse. One is a design mark, which is design the visual appearance of your logo. The second type is called a word mark, which protect the way that your brand is being spelled. In most cases, we recommend to register for a word mark because your logo can be very stylish and very fancy. Sometimes the Amazon and the trademark office may interpret the spelling differently. So we actually see this create issue for some of the brand we work with in the past. So to make it very clear and super simple to avoid future problem, it's just much easier to get a trademark for the way your name is being spelled instead. So, and if you are serious about building a toys and game brands on Amazon, joining Amazon brand registry should be one of your first priority. This will allow you to protect your brand, improve your listing, access all the advanced advertising tool, and generate early reviews through Vine, and also build a branded storefront. Without brand registry, you're competing at a serious disadvantage. So if you find this video helpful, you enjoyed the strategy or learning about how to grow your toys or game companies, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more on how we help toys and game brands grow on Amazon, feel free to visit our website at toy-launch.com.